Let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 1 GA question number 2. If two distinct non-zero real variables x and y are such that x plus y is proportional to x minus y, then the value of x by y and 4 options are given. Here it's given x plus y is proportional to x minus y, and we need to find what is the value of x divided y. So x plus y is proportional to x minus y means x plus y divide x minus y equals to k. We can take x minus y to right side. So x plus y will be k into x minus y. Now simplify this, so it will be kx minus ky. So x plus y equals to kx minus ky. Now take x to one side, y to another side. So x minus kx equals to minus ky minus y. Now take x common, so it will be 1 minus k equals to, let's take y common, it will be 1 plus k. If we will take minus also outside. Now x divided y will be 1 plus k, here is minus symbol, and 1 minus k that we are taking to right side. So here 1 minus k. Now after simplification it will be 1 plus k divide k minus 1. We are multiplying this minus with this, or again simplify k plus 1 divide k minus 1. Here k is a constant, we consider k as a constant. So k plus 1 divide k minus 1 will also be a constant. Hence answer will be option D. X divided y is a constant. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.